Hi guys, it's Unders. Hope the day is finding you well. So today's Logic Pro tutorial, nice little easy one that's really helpful for any of you guys trying to make trap or grime at the minute. So what we're doing is the hi-hat that changes the rhythm and goes off beat and then comes back really quickly. It's actually dead easy to do once you know the tools to use. So what I'm talking about is this sound. And I'm just going to show you how we made that. So if you have a quick look here, it's actually just on the grid for the most part in 4s and 16ths, but then it goes off in various places. So we've got halfway through the second bar, for example, we've got some runs over here and right at the end as well. What we do is we make use of different rhythms and triplets on different parts of the bar. So what we do, we'll move on to the second bar here, or the second set of 2 even, and we'll just look at recreating it. So generally a good way to start is just have all 4 hitting. And if we double it at the end, we can then quickly move that into a different rhythm because we've got that double hit. So if we put another 4 in here, nice and rapid succession, if we highlight them, we'll see over here I've got 1/16th triplet, so 1/24 already highlighted. We'll quantize those and it gives us that half step type rhythm. What we can then do is look to do the same again with the next 2. So we're going to do those on 1/8. Alright, so we've gone way off beat there, but what we're going to do is bring it back as we come into the next bar. So we'll go right on point and right on point again and halve them like this. Right around here, usually quite good if we have a fast run. So we can probably get rid of you. We'll halve these up. And then we'll go back into regular timing. We'll just put it on all of these. Highlight these last 4. Do those in 1/8 again. And that's essentially it. That gives us our nice offbeat hat runs. Cool, so I hope that was helpful for you guys. A nice quick and easy tutorial. Thank you very much for subscribing and I will see you on the next video.